morning everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If your child is struggling with difficult English sounds like the TH, the R, the L, the SH, or confusing words like through, thought, and enough, don't worry, they are not alone. One powerful way to help children improve their pronunciations and confidence is through daily affirmations. Affirmations help children build confidence, reduce fear of making mistakes, stay motivated, and learn faster. In today's video, I'll share 7 morning affirmations that can help your child master English phonics thoroughly. These affirmations are simple, encouraging, and perfect for morning practice before school or lessons. Let's begin. The first affirmation is, I can learn new sounds every day. Many children feel discouraged when they cannot pronounce a particular sound. Sometimes when you tell them to try again, they are not just interested. Okay, but phonics is a skill. Okay, phonics is a skill and you have to keep practicing. All right, so when your child wakes up in the morning, tell your child to repeat this affirmation. I can learn new sounds every day. When your child repeats this affirmation every morning, they will understand that learning takes time. Okay, and you just have to make them say it confidently. All right, you can tell your child say it again and again, and then you proceed by repeating the sounds that you think they are struggling with, or you can see that they are struggling with. It could be the TH sound, it could be the L, it could be the R, it could be the SH sound. Okay, you can just repeat after saying the affirmation. For example, I can learn new sounds every day. You can also make them say something like, I can learn one new sound confidently. Even 5 minutes daily makes a huge difference, okay? And encourage your child to celebrate every progress. So when he or she says their affirmation, makes the sound, just celebrate the child. Make them feel like they've done something very big for themselves. Number 2 affirmation, my mouth and tongue are learning to say English sounds clearly. You make your child repeat this affirmation with you. This affirmation helps your child to understand that pronunciation is physical. Yes, because some sounds require mouth and tongue coordination. For example, the TH sound requires your tongue rather, in between your teeth. Yes, so you have to put your tongue in between your teeth to be able to pronounce the TH sound. While the V uses the teeth and the lip, okay? While the R sound needs tongue control. So your child can say the affirmation, my mouth and tongue are learning to say English sounds clearly. Then they say the sound, okay? They can just keep practicing. Remember to tell your child that clear pronunciation comes with practice and not perfection. Number 3 affirmation. This affirmation is very important. Tell your child to say it is okay to make mistakes while learning. This affirmation is extremely important. Many children stop speaking because they fear embarrassment, but mistakes are part of learning. Tell your child it is okay to make mistakes while learning. Then explain. Tell your child that every speaker once struggled with some English words. Yes, you know this. Even as an adult, there are some English words you must have struggled with before, and then by practicing, you became perfect, right? So remind your child that every good speaker he or she is admiring once struggled with some English words, so they are not exceptional. You can even make learning fun by laughing gently when a particular English word sounds funny, or the pronunciation sounds funny. You can just laugh a little. The goal is to build confidence and not fear. Number 4, I can read difficult words step by step. Long English words can scare children, so teach them to say I can read difficult words step by step. For example, this word. Some children find it very difficult pronouncing this word. Okay? Through. Through. As an adult, it's very easy, but I tell you, children struggle to pronounce. So you have to break this word into syllable. All right? Like, for example, you say through, through, through. Then you say through. Okay? Break it in a way that the child can actually pronounce it step by step. Okay? Words like enough, daughter, beautiful, school can feel overwhelming. Say together with your child, I can read difficult words step by step. Now break the words into smaller parts. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay? Then when they are able to break it into syllables step by step, they can then say it together. Beautiful. All right? Teach your child not to rush. Okay? Slow reading often leads to accurate pronunciation. Number 5 affirmation. I am becoming a confident English speaker. Confidence is everything. Some children actually know the sounds but are too shy to speak. These affirmations helps build courage, okay? Then encourage your child to read aloud, repeat after you, and speak in full sentences. Trust me, the more children speak, the better their phonics become. Number 6 affirmation. I listen carefully and copy correct sound. Look, listening is a major part of phonics learning. Children improve pronunciation by hearing sounds repeatedly. Say together, I listen carefully and copy correct sound. Then let your child listen to storybooks, phonics sounds, educational cartoons, or even your own pronunciation. Chorus and repeat words together. For example, words like ship, sheep, chip, cheap helps children hear sound differences clearly. You can hear this is chip, this is cheap, this is ship, this is sheep. The sounds are very clear. So you can use words like this to tell them sound or to teach them sound differences. Number 7 affirmation, which is our last affirmation. Every day my English gets better. The final affirmation is powerful because it encourages consistency. Say, every day my English gets better. Improvement may seem slow at first, but daily practice creates amazing results over time. Even on new words, one correct sound, or one confident sentence is progress. Remind your child that learning English is a journey. Yes, it is a journey. You don't just expect the child to get up, start speaking English so fluently, pronounce words so correctly, speak confidently and all. No, it takes time. Okay, it's a process. Now, let's quickly repeat the 7 affirmations. Number 1, I can learn new sounds every day. 2, my mouth and tongue are learning to say English sounds clearly. 3, it is okay to make mistakes while learning. 4, I can read difficult words step by step. 5, I am becoming a confident English speaker. 6, I listen carefully and copy correct sounds. 7, every day my English gets better. Practice these English affirmations every morning with your child for a few weeks and watch their confidence grow from 0 to 100. I promise you. Okay? If you've been watching and you love this video, please give this video a thumbs up. And of course, if you're new, subscribe to my channel and I'll see you in our next video.